Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli channel. My name is Richard. So as you can see, this is the motor of the central drive bar mills. This motor, the power is very high. You can see. So this motor connects to the gearbox that connects to the coupling connects to the bar mill. So you see what I mean. So this is the motor, and you can see this is the reducer, and then you can see this is the reducer, and then if you go to this side, you can see this is the couplings of the reducer. The couplings connect to the transmission connection. You can see, and then the transmission connection drives the bar mill to rotate. You can see. Yeah, so that is basically the structure of our central drive bar mills. So the good thing about central drive bar mills is it has a larger torque. It's able to turn in a greater force. Because usually the bar mill is larger than 3.2 meters, we adopt a central drive. And if it's less than 3.2 meters, then we usually adopt edge drive. So you can see this is the hood cover. Okay, on the top we have the ventilation window. On the bottom we have the discharge hood. Yeah, and then the bar mill,